Hey guys, this is Josh the Dog Master here, and today I wanted to show you this set that I got today. It's set 75034. Death Star Troopers, 100 pieces, 6 to 12. So yeah, let's get. Oh no, sorry. Before we get into the set, there is a new gun exclusive to this set. And a big gun and 4 little minifigs. Okay, so first let's go to the minifigs. Okay, this is one of the Hoth Troopers. No, you can't see it much. Here's one. Here's the other. And then here's the Guardians. All red, which I like. So there is all the minifigs. And here's the box. If I can zoom in here. Okay. And over there is the cannon. It goes up, like all the way up. It goes, oh, kind of broke it. It goes, so I have to put it down. Okay, anyhow, goes up, and then also goes way down. Mini chair. And if you stick a minifig in it, stay. Okay. So this is what it looks like when a minifig's in it. Can and here's the new gun. I know you can't see it, but yeah. So this is a set that I got just today. And comment, subscribe if you like this video. So yeah, see if I can make any videos soon. Okay guys, see ya, bye.